Welcome back to Cooking with Scuttle. I am here with a group of about 25 Vermonters, and we're doing some hurricane relief after the devastation of Maria. We're taking a break from the construction, and we're going to take a tour of this candy factory here. They're going to teach us how to make turro, a common Puerto Rican candy which is very delicately made, great flavor. Let's take a tour. Turro is a blend of coconut milk and sugar, which is cooked until it reaches a certain temperature. Then it's spread on a stainless steel table to cool. Once it cools enough to be handled, they spread it out and divide it into some small sections, which they stretch on a pin hanging from the wall. This family has been making it for a long time, and now the younger generation is carrying on the tradition. It takes a lot of craft and practice to learn how to make something like this. Let me give it a shot. This is the only place in Puerto Rico that makes this traditional treat. The turro is then spread into thin logs and stretched, and then cut to length. The small portions are then wrapped and packaged for purchase. So just two simple ingredients, coconut milk and sugar, can be cooked to this delicate, flavorful perfection. It's simple, all natural, and perfect. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Food porn.